For this video, we are comparing two powerful video tools, which is Invideo and Capcut. So these two are popular, but they serve different needs. So if you're serious about video creation, Invideo is packed with features to help you create professional quality content quickly. So let's see how it stacks up against CapCut. So let's start with InVideo, a tool purpose-built for anyone who wants to create high-quality video fast. Let us go over its features, and the first one is its text-to-video conversion. So this is one of the InVideo standout feature. So if you want to create a script, or if you have a script or a blog post, InVideo can automatically turn it into an engaging video in minutes. So you just need to type it right here or paste it right here. So it says, give me a topic, language, and detailed instructions. Then just simply hit this generate a video button on the center part of your screen. Another one is it also has a premium media library. So InVideo provides access to a huge media library of over 1 million stock images, videos, and also music tracks, making it easy to find quality assets. Now for the next one, it has also a professional quality export options. InVideo supports HD export quality, ensuring that your videos look polished, and you can also export in different aspect ratios for various platforms, which is perfect for social media. Next one is its collaboration. So InVideo allows team members to work together in real time, making it perfect for collaborative projects or remote work setups. Next is its customization flexibility. So you have extensive control over colors, fonts, overlays, and also animations. So this lets you create a consistent brand look across all of your videos. Now for the pros of InVideos, again, it has large selection of templates, also designed for video, saving you time, and it is ideal for creating professional quality videos with minimal effort with its text to video format or feature. So it also again has an XD export quality with multiple formats available, and again which is its most known feature, the text to video and mini assets streamline the creative process of this tool. Now for the cons of InVideo, so some of its advanced features are available only on paid plans. So it is limited for complex, highly customized project. Now let's look at CapCut, which is popular for editing short form quick videos, especially on mobile. So for the features of it, it has an easy to use mobile editor. So if you can also download the app in your phone if you want to edit your videos on your phone. So CapCut is known for its simplicity, especially for mobile editing, again, making it great for the on-the-go editing. So it also has range of trendy filters, transitions. Also, you have here effects that are popular for quick social media focus edits. So CapCut also includes simple cutting, trimming, and bridging options, ideal for creating short videos or TikToks. It also offers features for sound and lip syncing, which is especially useful if you're creating TikTok or Instagram content. So CapCut is completely free, making it accessible for users who need basic, straightforward editing. So for the pros of it, it is great for quick edits on mobile. It is free with a simple beginner-friendly interface, and it has useful filters and effects for social media videos. Now, for the cons of it, it has limited templates and customization for more advanced projects, and the export quality may not match InVideo's professional options, and it also has limited collaboration features. So now, if you are focused on creating professional quality videos efficiently with tons of customization options, InVideo is an unbeatable choice. So it's wide range of templates, text to videos, and HD export make it ideal for content creators, marketers, and also teams. And CapCut is a solid choice if you're looking for a quick, simple mobile editor for casual, social media friendly videos. So both tools have strengths, but if you're serious about creating standout videos, again, Invideo provides the professional features you need. So you can sign up for a free Invideo account with the link below and see what it can do to you. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.